Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Many of us are under the impression that we can't save money at all. Though we earn a lot, we feel how to save it. We don't know where the money goes. It goes, that is all. So, here I have come with some rules to save money. If we follow these golden rules, definitely we can save money. First thing is, nowadays we are used for online shopping. It can be Flipkart, Amazon, anything. We just go on looking at it and we are tempted. We are tempted, I am telling, to buy it. Whether I am in need or not, that is not necessary. When I look at that bag, dress or whatever, I feel like buying it. Immediately, okay. Because there is no need to go out or anywhere immediately. So that is the first thing. Another thing, even offline also we are having the same things. When we go to the mall or any mart, what happens? You are knowing there the things are arranged in such an attractive way. Though we don't want, we just look at it and we like it and we buy it. Now you can say then, ma'am, how to avoid it? Very easy way it is. Make a list. I want to buy such and such a things. I will buy only according to the list. Not there because I see such and such a thing. If we follow this, we can, you are knowing, minimize our unnecessary shopping. And all these tips are only to those who tell that they can't save money, they don't know where they spend the money for them. If you are having a lot of money, go on spending, very good it is. Because our economy grows because of that. Because there are buyers, there are sellers, and that is why the produce new goods. So these rules and regulations are only for those who feel that they don't know where the money goes, they can't save, they can't even keep for their retirement age, or even if they lose their service, that is job, they can't survive for at least 6 months. For such people it is. Then you are knowing all of us want enjoyment, recreation. So OPT is there. We pay for the subscriptions. How many subscriptions we pay? So many. Apart from that, we are having Wi-Fi, we are having data on our mobile. Even then, we go on having so many things. Apart from that, we go to the theater as well. When we go to the theater, you are knowing, there are so many things and our children want them. Let it be corn flour or whatever it is, samosa or whatever the rate is, you are knowing, much more higher than outside. Instead of that, while buying there, while coming back, to go to any decent hotel and have a nice. So, these things we should avoid. Next is while giving the gifts. Many times we feel, okay, I should give a gift either in gold or silver. Otherwise, what the people will think. So, it is not necessary we should give gifts only in gold or silver. You can even gift good books, plants, so many other things. And remember that you want to be rich for yourself, not You want to show your richness to others. Many times we feel that other people should think that I am rich. No, forget it. We should be rich for ourselves. That is very, very important. So after our salary, immediately we should start paying ourselves. Paying ourselves means what? Paying our own investments, our own emergency fund, whatever. That money is for you only. Or for your retirement plans, whatever it is. You should first pay for yourself. And there are some who spend a lot on drinks and all. A few months back, a well-known director of Kannada movies hanged himself and ended his life. He used to spend more than 3 lakhs only for drinks every month, it seems. And because of shortage of money, he had to finish his life. So, if you can't save, and it is not good for our health also, you should avoid drinks and such things. And when you are buying a bike or a car, look at your ability, your capacity, and buy according to that. Not because your neighbor is having that or your colleague is having that. If you can pay for that, if you can buy, then buy. Otherwise, don't follow such things. Use of credit card again. Be very, very careful while using it. Where you can save some money, for example, air tickets and all, then use it. Otherwise, just because credit card you are having, go on buying. No. Another thing, how can you minimize your expenditure or spending is break to eating out. If we prepare the same things at home, they will be very good, they will be of good hygiene, and we can prepare nice things even at home, and the cost will be comparatively very, very less. So once in a way, for change, you can go, it is for somebody's birthday, this and that. Otherwise, daily, there are some people who daily go out. Instead of that, we can start cooking in the house. And whenever we are going to buy some costly things, that is mobile and all, I have seen the students, some of my own students, who started working within 2 months, they are having the mobile which is of 2 lakhs, 1.5 lakh, etc. Is it necessary? Just see. No. When you can afford, you have to buy, I will tell you, because then only our economy grows. If you are having, you buy it. Otherwise, just on EMI and all, buying it, and at the end of the month telling, I don't have money, this and that, then you have to take loans from somebody else. No, don't do it. Be rich for yourself, not for the show. Others, whether they think you are rich or poor, leave it off. Let them think how they want. In this way, we can save money. Otherwise, what happens is, just for the sake of show, we go on buying the goods. We are not bothered whether they are in need or not. Whatever is necessary, you have to do. For example, education, you have to spend. For good food, you have to spend. For health, you are knowing we should have good health, then only we can do anything. There you have to spend. Here, you can't tell that, no, I won't spend here. These 3 things you have to spend. other things. It can be iPad, it can be iPhone or a costly car and all. Not necessary. So, if you understand these golden rules of saving money, definitely you will be a rich man by investing it. Have a nice day.